Hello guys, how are you? This is Jenny, and today I would like to show you the treatment of this 6-in-1 cavitation and RF treatment. Okay, let's do it now. And for this treatment, the steps will be cavitation, vacuum, and RF, and then is lipolaser. So first, let's do the treatment of cavitation. And for this interface, you will see here are two settings for you to choose. First is energy. The max energy is 10. So, and for the treatment, we can start from the lowest at around 2 to 3, and we can start from this energy and adjust it according to the client's feeling. Okay, first we can start at 2, and the time we will set at 50 to 20 minutes. Okay, now let's do it. And for this treatment, firstly, we need to apply the gel like this to apply on the treatment area. And make it smooth. Firstly, we can do like this way. We can make our hand like this. And for this part, we can do the circle way like this. And also we can do like this. And for the cavitation treatment, it will take around 50 to 20 minutes. And after that, we can continue to do the cavitation treatment. And for this interface, we will see here are RF and treatment time and different modes to choose. And for RF, because it is just a heat, so we can choose like a higher level to, if the max is 20, so we can choose around 10 to 50 for this RF and energy. And for the time, also we can do like around 50 to 20 minutes, and we can change it to this time, or we can do and to stop it. And for the modes, here 1, 2, 3, 4, the different modes means the different times for release and sucks. And normally we can choose the normal mode 1. It is means release 5 minutes and suck 5 minutes, release suck, and it is a circle, and we can choose and do the treatment. And for the vacuum treatment, we can do also the similar with the cavitation. This part we can do like this. And we can move to the interval of the release, so we cannot hurt the skin. And for this part, we can also do like this. And also the same as this side. And by the way, here is a button here on the back of the machine, and we can change the button here to change the vacuum, and do like this. And we can change the vacuum power. And after that, we can choose the RF to do the continual treatment. And here are 2 RF for the body parts, and we can choose the 12 polar RF to do the treatment on the body, and 6 polar RF to do on the smaller area like arm and the legs. And for the RF energy also, it is also the max. The max is 20, and we can choose like 10 to 50 and adjust it according to the client's feeling. And the treatment time also be around 50 to 20 minutes. And for this is also a different modes, the continue mode and the pause mode. It is like also like similar like the vacuum, release, and sucks. It is like this. If the continue modes, it will like this. The RF energy is continue shooting, and if the pause mode, it will like this. it will like stop and start like this. And we can choose the continue mode and to do the treatment. And it is also the similar way. For the middle size, we can do like this. To do like a circle. And the side, two sides, and do like this. We can do it slowly and make each skin to catch this energy. And for this part, we can also do like this way, like to do like a small circle like this. And for RF, we also have this smaller handle to do the treatment on facial, and we can do like this. Also for facial, we also need to use gel and do the treatment like this. One handle to lift the facial and one handle to do the treatment. We can do like this. To do it slowly. And for the forehand, and we can do like this. To do lifting like this. Or we can do also to do like circle like this. For the last step, we can use the lipo laser. And we can see the interface. There are different interfaces to control different working handles. And we can use according to different clients and according to different treatment area. Like to this client, we can use like 3 to 4 pieces is okay. And we can choose the time and energy. For the time, it can use longer time for like 20 to 30 minutes. And for energy, we can use also like 10 to 50 is okay. And to choose the start to do the treatment. And we can choose the work and can do the treatment. It shows the treatment is on, and we can do the treatment. To put it on the treatment area. Okay, to do the treatment like this, to do like 20 to 30 minutes is okay. Okay, today's video is finished here. So if you have any questions, you can just contact us. And this is Jenny, and here is New Energy channel. Bye.